Hey, soil explorers, what's under your feet? Hey, science explorers, look down right now. What's under your shoes when you're outside? It's soil, that's what. But wait, soil is not just plain old dirt. Oh no, soil is truly amazing, incredible stuff. It is absolutely bustling with tiny living things. It is very, very important for our whole planet Earth. Let's explore the wonderful secrets of soil together. Come on, it's science time, let's go. So what exactly is this soil made of? Soil is a very special natural mixture. It contains tiny, tiny pieces of broken rocks. It also has bits of old, decomposed plants mixed in. Believe it or not, water is in there too. And get this, there's even air in soil. Mother Earth herself makes this fantastic recipe. It is a super cool science recipe, you see, and it takes a very, very long time to make. Where can we find this important soil? Guess what? Soil is almost everywhere you look. It is in your backyard garden, helping flowers grow. It is in the big green parks where you play. It is under the huge tall forests filled with many trees. It is even hiding under the hard streets of big cities. Soil is a hidden, busy underground world right below us. Many small, fascinating creatures call it their home. Why should we all take the time to learn about soil? Well, consider this. Soil helps all plants grow big and strong. Those big sturdy trees, they need healthy soil. Those small colorful flowers you love, they need soil too. And guess what? All the yummy food we eat every single day starts its journey in the soil. So, you see, soil is incredibly important. It helps keep us alive and healthy. Let's become super soil detectives now. Go explore. Digging deeper. The amazing layers of soil. Did you know that soil actually has different layers? Yes, it really does. It is kind of like a yummy, delicious layer cake. And just like a cake, each layer of the soil is different. Each layer also has its own very special job to do. We are going to start our amazing digging journey at the very top. This top layer is where most of the exciting action happens. It is like the tasty, rich frosting on Earth's giant cake, full of good things for plant roots. The very first layer we find is called topsoil. This is the dark, crumbly, and wonderfully rich stuff. It is absolutely packed full of good things for plants. We call these good things nutrients, which are like plant vitamins. Wiggly worms and many tiny bugs love living in the topsoil. It is their comfy, cozy, safe underground home base. Plants really, really love the topsoil layer the most. Their important roots spread out wide and deep here. They easily find the water and all their food. If we dig a little bit deeper, what do we find next? The next layer down is called the subsoil. This layer is usually a bit lighter in color than topsoil. It also has fewer of those important nutrients for plants. But make no mistake, it is still very, very important. The strong roots of big plants can often reach down this far. It also holds a lot of water, acting like a secret hidden sponge. This subsoil layer helps to stop the precious topsoil from washing away during heavy rainstorms. Going deeper still, we eventually find the parent material. This interesting layer is mostly made of weathered rock. Weathered means the rock has been broken into smaller pieces. It is very slowly breaking down more and more over time. It is called the parent because it's the original rock from which the soil above it started to form. It provides the basic mineral building blocks for soil. Then, way, way down deep at the bottom, is solid bedrock. This is hard, unbroken, solid rock. It's Earth's strong, unmoving foundation. Super tough stuff to dig through. Soil's super story: how Earth makes dirt. So, how is this amazing soil actually made? Well, it is a very, very slow and patient process. It takes hundreds, sometimes even thousands of years. Just try to imagine a giant hard rock standing all alone. The wind blows hard against it day after day. Rain falls down on it season after season. This constant action is called weathering. It is like nature's tiny, invisible hammers always tapping. Slowly, slowly, the big rock starts to break apart into much smaller, then tiny, tiny pieces. These tiny pieces of rock are just the beginning. They are only one part of the soil recipe. We need more important ingredients to make good, healthy soil. Dead plants and old fallen leaves land on the ground. Then, tiny living things like microscopic bacteria and fungi get to work. They are nature's amazing recyclers, breaking things down. They decompose these old plant parts very efficiently. This process creates a wonderful, dark, rich substance called organic matter. We sometimes also call this special stuff humus. It is super good for soil. So you see, soil is a fantastic complex mixture. It is a mix of those weathered rock bits and that rich humus. But wait, there is even more in there. Water and air fill up all the tiny little spaces. These spaces are found between all the soil particles. And don't forget the animals. Earthworms and other burrowing creatures also help a lot. They constantly mix the soil up as they move around. They also make little tunnels for air and water to travel through. They are like little soil engineers working hard. Think about what happens on a busy forest floor. So many green leaves fall down every single autumn. They slowly rot away and decompose over time. They eventually become part of that rich, dark forest soil. Or think about a fast-flowing river for a moment. It carries tiny bits of rock, sand, and silt along with it. When the river floods its banks and spreads out, it leaves this material behind. This deposited material also helps to build brand new soil. It's a continuous, wonderful natural cycle of soil creation. Section 4. Soil Superpowers. Why we all need healthy soil. And a pop quiz. Soil is like a quiet, unseen superhero for our planet. It does so many incredibly important things for us all. First and foremost, it helps all of our plants to grow. Without good healthy soil, we would have almost no food to eat. Think about it. No yummy fruits like apples and bananas, no crunchy vegetables like carrots and tasty broccoli. We also wouldn't have beautiful colorful flowers or giant shady trees either. Plants need to anchor their roots deep into the soil to get water and all the nutrients they need. Soil is also a very busy and bustling home. So many different kinds of animals live right there in the soil. Think about all those wiggly earthworms tunneling around and the busy ants marching in their colonies. Tiny beetles and even furry moles call soil their home. It provides them with important shelter and a source of food. These amazing little creatures in turn help to keep the soil healthy by aerating it with their tunnels and breaking down organic matter. It's a whole underground city full of life. Did you know that soil also helps to clean our water? Yes, it is absolutely true. As rainwater slowly seeps down from the surface and passes through all the different layers of the soil acts like a giant, natural, and very effective filter. It traps many pollutants and other yucky stuff within its layers. This amazing process makes the water much cleaner for us and for nature. So, healthy soil means cleaner rivers and clearer lakes, and that means healthier fish and other water creatures too. Soil even helps to control the Earth's climate. How cool is that amazing science fact? Healthy soil stores huge amounts of carbon deep underground. This helps to keep our planet from getting too warm too quickly. So taking really good care of our precious soil is super important. It's vital for everyone and for the future of our Earth. Now for a quick pop quiz. Test your soil knowledge. What is the top, dark, rich layer of soil called? Hint: it's where plants love to grow. Name one important thing that helps to make soil. Think about a very slow process. Why is soil so important for all plants? Think about what plants need to live. Science always rules.